Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Pureveen Thyroid Balance Metabolism Support Review. So, you might be wondering, what is this Pureveen Thyroid Balance support that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, in this case, the pitch is basically this. Now, it's about supporting your body's own T4 to T3 thyroid hormone conversion process rather than replacing thyroid medication. Now, here's what's actually in it. Now, first is we have milk thistle extract, 100 milligrams. Now, the site frames this as a step 1, saying it clears the liver pathway needed for that hormone conversion to even happen. Next is we have selenium, 10 mcg, as selenomethionine, described as the key mineral for thyroid conversion. Zinc, said to power the enzyme doing the actual converting, and magnesium, around 150 milligrams, as magnesium glycinate, supports the conversion process and calms the nervous system. And they do have or mention copper, which is 1 milligram here, as copper citrate. Keeps zinc balanced so you don't trade one deficiency for another. Now, how do you exactly take this specific support, or in this case, this supplement here? So it's a liquid, and from what's on the page here, people generally take it straight or mix it with water, juice, or smoothies. Now, if the taste isn't your thing, they describe it as light and slightly herbal. So if you're someone who's sensitive to new supplements, they suggest starting with a half a tablespoon for the first week before working up to a full dose. Worth double checking here the actual label on the bottle for the exact daily amount here, since that specific number wasn't spelled out plainly in their webpage or in their website. So, in this case, a few other things here. So from their FAQ, they say it's fine to take alongside most other vitamins. So if you visit their FAQ here, so vitamins and other probiotics, and if you're on levothyroxine or other thyroid medication, they recommend just taking it at a different time of day rather than together. So if you're pregnant or nursing, they say to check with a doctor first. Now, with any kind of supplements out there, it is highly recommended that you consult your doctor first or your healthcare provider just to be on the safe side. Now, on the pricing itself, well, the page listed it as around $69 per bottle. Now, though it's showing as out of stock as of this moment, so it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, and returns go through their support email if you're not happy with it. Now, if you have any questions regarding the product, you could also go ahead and visit their contact page here and ask a few questions, or in this case, if you do have any questions, you can reach out directly to them. And that's about it. Now, with any kind of medication, again, consult your doctor first just to be safe. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.